everyone, welcome back to my channel Kazzalistic. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I've been asked to do a review on one of the gifts that I was given for Christmas, which is the Clover Yarn Cutter Pendant. So this is how it comes packaged. So it's just the pendant, you don't have a chain or a key ring or anything. You have to obviously sort that out for yourself. It says here yarn cutter and pendant in one, so you can obviously put a chain or a cord through that and wear it around your neck, or you could add it to a keychain or whatever takes your fancy. So this is what it looks like. And then on the back, we've got it in all various different languages, but I'm just going to focus on the English. So it says on the back, with a built-in blade cutter, yarn and thread can be cut easily and safely be cut with any of the grooves. So it says in the instructions, position the yarn against the blade as illustrated in figure A2 cut. So just like that. So I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. So as you can see, I haven't actually looked at this at all myself. So put the packaging to one side. So this is what the actual, it's got a reasonable amount of weight to it. So if you did use it as a pendant, it would hang quite nicely. That's what it looks like on the back. So as you can see, it's made in Japan, as most things in the UK are these days. So let's have a go. So it says to yarn through like that. There. I'll do that again. Nice clean cut. So yeah, does what it says on the tin. Do it one more time so you can see. There we go. So it's a fairly clean cut. You do get some fibres left over, but obviously because it's a pull in motion, that's kind of inevitable. But yeah, I have to say, provisional goes. Quite impressed. And I don't know, I did originally get this to thinking, you know, it'd be useful for things like if you had to go on an aeroplane, things like that. Not that I'm actually planning anything like that, or just for travelling in general. You know, it's sort of safe to have around children, in that, you know, it hasn't got any sharp ends or anything. Obviously you still have to be careful because there is a blade in it, but it was just sort of thinking from, you know, put it in your project bag, and just, you know, generally carrying it around with you, that it would be a bit better than pointy scissors. My scissors tend to be quite sharp, and have had some incidents where they've not been that great, where they've accidentally cut projects and things. So yeah, so you have to be firm when you're doing it, but that's not an issue for me. I think if you had dexterity issues, you need to be fairly firm when you're cutting it. But yeah, overall I'm quite impressed. So I hope that was useful. So there's not an awful lot to show you, other than obviously there is a blade on the inside, and it cuts yarn. So there's a hole there, so you can obviously thread something through at the top there. You can wear it as a pendant, or you could put a jump ring through and make it into a key ring or something like that. But overall I'm actually very impressed. So thank you guys for watching. Short but sweet, I know, but I hope that's proved useful for those of you that requested this video. So until next time, remember to stay well, happy crafting, and until next time, remember to stay true to yourself. Bye!